Hey, so hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one we're taking a little bit of time to just look at Hyliion. So of course Hyliion is that truck company, I'm sure you guys already know that, and the unfortunate story over the past year is that this stock massively shot up. It was one of the most hyped SPACs of 2020, and of course from that point it absolutely shot down to the lows that we are seeing right now, and it's really not been up since. You know, if we're looking back at this point down here at 50.51, we can see that was a high, or at least around that point, and from there, you know what, it's not been up ever since. I mean, yes, we saw this small, extremely small increase here, but you know what, overall the whole message is down. So yes, very sad to see this stock at such lows. But of course, is this stock a buy now, or is the stock officially dead? In this video, I'm giving my personal opinions and all that kind of good stuff. If it does sound like a great plan, please do leave a like and subscribe, and of course, if you want to come and talk to us on Discord about stocks, you can do so as well. The link will be down in the description. So yeah, let's just jump straight into this one and look at how it has been moving over the past 6 months, and then of course zooming in. Yeah guys, what happened is basically this stock got a lot of hype and a lot of attention pre-merger, and of course sometimes that's okay, but of course with Hyliion it was a decent company in my view, but overall the sales figures and all that kind of information about the company really did not anticipate the price going up to the point of about $50 or $60. I think a lot of people did notice that. I think the bubble, if you will, started to burst when a lot of the institutions got out 1 to 2 days before, and then a lot of the retail investors finally caught up and sold their stakes as well. And ever since, you know, Hyliion's not really been talked about too much. But yeah, looking at this one right now, I still do believe at $16 is not priced badly at all. But I think with this company, you really do need to know what you are getting yourself into. Now, personally, from a company perspective, from a business model perspective, I like Hyliion. I like what they do. I think it's very innovative. The fact that they can retrofit to trucks which are already made, I think it's a really cool feature. But obviously, we have to look at the, you know, the important things about the company. We have to look at the sales figures and all that kind of good stuff. Looking at Hyliion's sales figures and all that kind of stuff, we are not really seeing what I believe we should be seeing. You know, they are not really selling that much product anymore. And I think this is kind of a decent thing to consider, but I think overall it's not too important. But for now and the current price, I think it does actually matter. So of course, looking at the $16 price, I think it's not too bad, but I think looking at Hyliion, you really do need to know what you are expecting. So yeah, my personal view on this one is, if you do want to buy now, I think that you'll be holding for a few years, or at least that's what I would personally do. And of course, I am not a financial advisor, but if I was going to be buying this one, I would definitely be holding for a few years. And that's due to the fact that, you know, yes, I do expect this one to grow, but of course looking at the market sector in the sense that how many trucks are right now gas or diesel at least, and how many are electric, the majority is diesel. So of course looking at this one, there is a lot of room for improvement in this market sector. I think the fact they can retrofit like this is definitely going to help them out in the future. But right now, I don't think there's too much of an incentive for Hyliion to go up. So yeah, if you are going to be buying this one for the long term, absolutely I do see it as a decent play. If you're buying it for the short term, you know, you've really got to be asking yourself, are there better growth stocks out there? Now, my personal view is that there are, and I don't think that Hyliion is dead, but I think that it's not really starting to pick up yet. And I think if it is going to pick up, it's going to be in a few years from now. So of course, yes, definitely better plays out there for the short term in my opinion. And of course, Hyliion, you know, if you're looking for the big growth figures, I don't think this one offers that anymore. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video updating with my opinions. If you did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.